How to use Macy's promo code. Welcome back to the channel and let's begin with our tutorial. To get the Macy's promo code, open up a browser and search for coupon follow. If you already have a promo code, you can skip this part. Then tap on coupon follow at the top. In here you will find various of brands dealing with offers. To search for Macy's in the search bar, go ahead and type on Macy's, then tap on the suggestion below. Here you will find various of coupon code that you can select. However, make sure to check for the expiration date. You can enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out an offer. Then just tap on Show Coupon Code, then tap on Copy. To use it, for instance, tap on Redeem at Macy's, where you will be redirected to the official homepage of Macy's. To redeem your promo code, go ahead and select a category because you will have to purchase an item first and foremost. Then right here, select a category to shop. I'll be selecting this pretty dress right here. Then select a size. Tap on Add to Bag. Then tap on Checkout. Then once you do this, you have to fill out this address form. So go ahead and do that. Then at the bottom, you have to select your payment method. Once you tap on it, you will find a promo code option where you have to enter the promo code that we just copied, or the chances of it being applied is already there. Then proceed with the checkout option and you will see a substantial discount on your grand total. And just like that, you'll be able to use your Macy's promo code. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.